Valentine's Day is a time to celebrate love. If you're searching for a romantic holiday, there are many destinations to choose from. These are some of the most popular. Paris, France. A city of love, Paris is ideal for couples. See the Eiffel Tower, take a romantic boat ride on the Seine River, or dine at a romantic restaurant. Venice, Italy. This romantic city is known for its gondolas and gondola rides, making it a popular destination for couples. Walk the Rialto Bridge or enjoy a candlelit dinner by a canal. Antalya, Turkey. Antalya is perfect for couples seeking a romantic holiday with its beautiful beaches and rich history. Take a romantic walk on the beach, or explore the historic sites of Antalya. Bali, Indonesia. Bali offers luxurious tropical forests, beautiful beaches, and an exotic atmosphere, perfect for a romantic holiday. Take a couple's spa treatment, walk in the forest, or enjoy a sunset dinner on the beach. Maui, Hawaii. Maui is a beautiful island with stunning beaches and a vibrant culture. Take a romantic walk on the beach, go snorkeling, or have a sunrise breakfast at a Hawaiian restaurant. No matter where you go, the key is to spend quality time with your loved one and create unforgettable memories.